Once upon a time there were two friends, Aman and Arman. When they were young, Aman worked hard every day. He learned new skills, saved money, and never gave up. Arman was different. He liked to play, relax, and say, "I will do it tomorrow." Years passed quickly. Aman slowly built a good life. He found a stable job, saved money, and supported his family. People respected him for his discipline and patience. Arman also grew older, but nothing changed. He had no stable work, no savings, and many worries. Every day became harder than the last. One cold evening, Arman met Aman again. Aman looked calm and happy. Arman looked tired and sad. Arman asked quietly, "Why is your life so peaceful and mine so difficult?" Aman smiled gently and said, "Because I worked when I was young, so I don't have to suffer now." Arman lowered his head. At that moment, he understood his biggest mistake, but it was too late. No work, no future. Start now.